Hi friends, today I will tell you how to use this 809 machine. Okay, open the shot. This one is purple cable. This is a USB cable. There are the connection bases 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 in oak. Okay, this one DS809 host. Purple interface connecting the purple wire. Okay, flash C connect the 4 connecting bases. Connect this one 1, 2, 3, 4 connecting bases. This the reset. If the machine is not working, press and hold the key all the time. The machine will reset automatically. Indicator line, green line, indicator working. USB connector. This machine has 3 set of voltage, 2, 2.5 and 3. This is the voltage regulating switch. Okay, this machine, yes, 1, 2. This machine has been introduced. Now, I will tell you how to install this software on your laptop. First, unzip the file, then install the software in your computer. Okay. Next, this one, change language. Okay, English. Okay, next. Install, waiting. Now, the software installing is completed, but don't click finish first. Okay, remember, don't click finish first. And connect the DS809 first. DS809 is connected to the laptop, and the indicator line is flashing, indicating that the machine is working. Now you can click this one, finish, click finish. Okay, indicates whether or no installed the USB driver. Sure, click sure. Now the computer is automatically installing USB driver. You can see installing USB driver now. Okay, waiting. Click this one. Click about. Okay, and change the language, English. Okay, change language. Okay, when you see the serial number of the machine, it means that the machine is connected to the laptop and the driver is installed. Okay, finish the software installed. Alright, now I tell you how to use this 809 machine to clean the EFI lock. Okay, this one later I want to show you how to clean the EFI lock and pin lock. First, open the screen, then press the power on key. Yes, this one. Why does the computer have an EFI lock? One is that you set the EFI password and forget it. The other is that you buy someone else second-hand computer and don't know the actual password. Yes, you can see this one is a pin lock. It's used to load the system. Now I tell you how to click. Yes, first click and then press your hold and option key. You can see EFI lock appear on the screen. It means that the motherboard is unlocked. Install USB system boot. No response. You can see no response. Shut down. This model is AU1460 2013 year. You can see. Now dimension the button shot. Okay. Next, disconnect the battery. Must disconnect the battery. Now I tell you how to find the power supply pin. Connect the battery. Okay. First, we find the bitmap of motherboard. Open the bitmap software, this one. Yes. Find the BIOS check. Okay, open. This motherboard number is A203437. Yes. Which one? Yes, this one. Open the bitmap. Yes. This one. This is the BIOS check. Pin A is the power supply pin of this check. This one. Find the connector. Find the connect test point on the other side of the motherboard. Other side. Okay. Okay. Find easy to test point. We choose this point as the test point. No, this one. Oh yes, this one pin is easy. Now let's introduce the use of this connecting line. How to use this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, for connecting 6. This one used to from 2015 to 2017, connecting the SM base of the motherboard. As this is the right shape of the board is glass board. This seat is also used for this motherboard. You can see the SMC. Okay, this one is for the old model from 2010 to 2011. Yes, this one is old model. Okay, now compare the two connecting seats. This one used to from 2012 to 2013. Yes, so this connector is for this laptop. You can see the connector is same. Okay, now last one connector. This is a universal seat for motherboard without AMC. You can remove the BIOS check and write in on this base. This seat can also be used for reading and writing BIOS check data of other computers. Okay, introduce finish.